Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. This fine day we're going to draw Sinestro from Green Lantern, and to do this I'm going to do a portrait. So a bit of head, shoulders, so that we can get to sketch out the main antagonist in the Green Lantern universe, one of my favorites, also considered a sometime I could say hero, but for the most part a negative character, and as I mentioned, one of my favorites. You should check him out if you haven't. And to best draw him out, we will need the usual oval, but we are going to do that. So that's eyes, nose, mouth, and we're going with a generic sketch, because as in most characters, the versions actually differ from artist to artist in this case as well. So he's just fit athletic, not bulky, so we will keep the proportions down. I've brought that line over here, and I'll start right here with the other shoulder. So what I'm doing is I'm having a little bit of perspective going in that arm, and I'm just highlighting that fist and of course that ring. So we will do that inside the oval and give the fingers that box, and we'll give it an oval right here for the thumb. And now that we have that framework in place, we are ready to draw ourselves a Sinestro. Okay, so I'm going to work my way, and this is a quick sketch. So I am using this Sharpie to sketch Sinestro out, and I would recommend that you should keep it going with a pencil. It'll keep things easier if you have not drawn this guy before. It will help you, go easy in the sense that you could fix mistakes quickly. So Sinestro, as I said, he's thin, not thin, but he's athletic, and he's fit, and for that matter, he does have a face that is it's like a daddy face. So he does have a daughter who is also in the Green Lantern Corps. But Sinestro himself, this version that I'm drawing is from the Sinestro Corps angle, because I really like that costume, and I also liked that angle somewhat better when they did it with this character. So what he does have is he has this collar right here, and we get that out of the way quickly. And then what he has is it's the piece on top is sort of like that, and he has 1, 2, and 3. So that's going to vanish behind the chest there. We've got the shoulder going there. bit of collarbone, increase that. So he has this thin mustache. Just quickly putting down a pair of eyes. He does have very prominent cheekbones at all times. I think in most versions it has been shown that way. Give him some eyebrows right there, and the hair is usually shown as like finely kept unless it becomes unkempt because of a beat down or throw down with any of the other green lanterns or any of the other lanterns. There are a lot of cool lanterns in the Green Lantern universe. There's like red lanterns, there's blue lanterns, and I think it will be interesting to just try to like sketch those different characters out. They're a lot of fun to work with. And what we have in here is the Sinestro Corps or insignia. Do that. So I'm just showing it at that angle, and what we have inside is there is a circle, and it's supposed to be called the insignia of fear, because they are Sinestro as wants to generate fear and bring order to the universe, or something like that. Cool, but something like that. And then of course we have the main thing going right here, and that is the ring, which has the same insignia right here, but I'm not going to. It's a small detail for video to go over, and what I'm going to do is forego that little detail. It's the same insignia here if you can fit it in using a thinner pen, but right here I'm going to just put out So essentially he has these plate sort of things, and you just see that I'm keeping them fairly going in that same direction, just to get a handle on perspective a little bit. And so it's like segmented, sort of. And there we pretty much have it. That is a generic sketch of this classic villain, Sinestro. So what I'm just going to do is put in some inks and some fills quickly to finish this off, and I would recommend checking out the costume. It's black gold. Sinestro himself is somewhat of a magenta or a pink, so do check him out. And let's just finish this off with some inks and fills with the same Sharpie.